Along with thousands of research articles on the human microbiome, we have more information each year on probiotic and yeast strains that can help improve balance in the microbiome. As with all supplements, we need to ask a few questions to determine, is a probiotic right for me? Probiotics can keep your gut healthy by preventing the growth of harmful organisms, reinforcing the gut barrier, and restoring bacteria after disturbance from illness, medications like antibiotics, or simply the standard American diet. They may also support a healthy immune system and oral, skin, and mental health. Our top recommendation is, if you tolerate probiotic-rich foods, focus on incorporating at least 1 tablespoon of probiotic-rich foods first. These include unsweetened yogurt with live and active cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kombucha, and kimchi. If you don't like or tolerate probiotic-rich foods or cannot seem to eat them consistently on a daily basis, this is where you may want to work with your registered dietitian on choosing a probiotic supplement. Now let's talk about strains. Experts agree that Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium strains benefit most people in particular. Lactobacillus rhamnosus and Saccharomyces boulardii may reduce your risk of antibiotic-related diarrhea. Meanwhile, probiotics that have Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium, and Saccharomyces seem to improve symptoms in some people with constipation, irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, and several types of diarrhea. Now, how do I pick an effective supplement? First of all, check with the company on research showing probiotics viability, or basically how long they live in the GI tract, and third-party testing to prove purity and efficacy of the supplement. Refrigeration needs of the probiotic depends on the formulation and encapsulation of the probiotic. Generally, probiotics with microencapsulation will not require refrigeration and will survive better through the acidic stomach and to the large intestine. So refrigeration is not required for some powerful strains. Purity, potency, and type of strain are generally more important than CFUs. The jury is still out on the amount of CFUs that is most effective. However, listen to how your body responds and adjust accordingly. Now, if you've been diagnosed with SIBO, or small intestine bacterial overgrowth, you may or may not benefit from probiotics. From some people, probiotics can cause gas and bloating while your body gets used to them. If these symptoms still persist after 2 weeks, consider discontinuing that probiotic. And remember, start slow and small with dosage of a new probiotic to reduce risk of your uncomfortable symptoms. Probiotics can be hugely advantageous and can even be effective enough to combat foodborne illness and stomach viruses. Work together with your practitioner and registered dietitian to select the right probiotic to support your medical condition, and keep pre- and probiotic-rich foods in your daily eating pattern.